Let's get real in this video for 1 minute. One of the hardest parts of going keto or carnivore isn't the food. It's when your spouse or partner doesn't support you. In fact, sometimes it actually feels like they're sabotaging you. This is something that I hear all the time as a coach. He brings home donuts, or she rolls her eyes every time I cook a steak again. And if that's you, you're not alone. Here's the truth. Most of the time, sabotage isn't about you, it's about them. Change can feel threatening. If you're losing weight, getting healthy, and they're not ready, it can stir up their own insecurities. Or sometimes they just miss the old routines you shared around food. And let's be realistic about that. They're traditional, they're very rooted, and it's difficult, especially around holidays or it's Monday Night Football. You would have some special food. So what do you do about that? First, you lead by example, and don't preach, don't argue, just show the results. When they see your energy, your weight loss, your blood work improving, it speaks louder than any lecture you're going to give them. Secondly, control what you can. Stock your side of the pantry or pick a designated cabinet that's yours. Prep your meals and don't rely on willpower alone when temptation walks through that door. Third, invite but don't pressure. Say, hey, do you want to try a bite? Rather than, you should eat this. People are more likely to join you when it feels like curiosity, not a mandate. And finally, set boundaries kindly. You can say, I love you, but it makes it harder for me when you offer me bread. Please support me by not pushing it. That's not nagging, that's self-advocacy. And remember, this is your journey. You're choosing health, not just for yourself, but for your future together. They might not get it now, but many partners eventually come around when they see the difference it makes. Tell me in the comments, have you dealt with a spouse that wasn't supportive, and how did you handle it? I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.